Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I am having the Minolta 5000 AF camera guys. This camera was launched in early 90s and this is a autofocus camera from Minolta, and the lens I am having right now is 35-105 autofocus lens. And trust me guys, this is a really nice camera. Right now you can have this camera really very cheaply. You can find one camera with some kind of a lens for less than 30 US dollar, and this camera has autofocus, so that is very helpful. If you are doing portrait photography, you can focus on some person's face and really get nice out of focus photos. If you are using a 50 mm lens, then the background blur gonna be really awesome. And this is a very easy to use camera. Uh, this has a fully program mode and the manual mode as well. In the manual mode you can set the aperture and the shutter speed yourself, and if you are using the program mode, camera gonna take care of everything. And regarding the ISO, it is automatically gonna pick the ISO from the film, and the film is actually put from here on the back of the camera, and it has a automatic self-loading, so you just have to put the film here and then fix it here and then close the camera, and when you switch on the camera it will automatically load the film, and it will also show you an error message if the film is not loaded correctly guys. And if you want to use this in auto mode, you can definitely do this, but manual mode is always more welcome. And you have the autofocus manual focus switch over here, which help you in switching between autofocus and manual focus, and focusing is very easy. It has only one autofocus point in the center of the frame, so if you want to take a photo of some person or some object, so try to put them in the center, because this camera don't let you do focus and recompose that you can do in DSLR. So that is one limitation. But if you want to have a subject somewhere in the corner, then try to use the manual focus. And when we talk about the image quality from this camera, if you are using a nice roll of film, you can get really very nice photos. And the Minolta lenses can be had very cheaply in the market, and those lenses are still optically very good guys. They take fantastic image and the excellent image quality. The glasses are superb. Alright guys, I hope you liked my video. You can check a detailed review on this camera, how to use it, the tutorial about this camera on my channel. So please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and I will see you in next video.